Heavy winds created drifting piles of snow that snared unsuspecting drivers. They had no choice but to stay home.
I was going to try and get to work, but I think I'm gonna have to call my boss and tell him, yeah, maybe not today.
Police say they were called to 22 collisions in a 22-hour period.
One poor car.
I just passed a mail truck that's like this too. There's something going on over down there too. I don't know what it is. I can't even tell what the vehicle is. Hey, what the heck is up, you guys? There is a huge snowstorm today. As you can see, traffic is super backed up. Hazel's light kept dying, and this is like literally the worst possible time that his light could die, so I had to run to PetSmart before I went home. So I'm coming from work, but I had to go to PetSmart first, and I literally left work over an hour ago. So I'm making my way downtown. This is what my forecast is telling me right now, though. The winds and blizzard warning, so that's awesome. I turned off Vic because it was a nightmare, but it's a lot more windy facing this way. Like, can you hear that? I can like feel my car moving. It's crazy. Holy fuck, I finally made it home. 6:45. Or no, my car clock is wrong. It's 6:30. But still, holy shit! I was done work at 10 after 5. It is now 6:30. Also, my gas light came on halfway through the journey home. No. I hated that. I went home and I went inside and I ate some food. I want to go to 7-Eleven and get a snack, so that's what I'm doing to document the blizzard. So far, so good. Ice hanging off the door handle. Cold out there. I got the goods. I unplugged Basil's light so it'll get not so hot. And then I'm gonna take out the light bulb and put in the new one. This one kept like turning on and off and like not staying on. So it seemed like it was dying, and it's been a while, so he needs a new one. So it's the next morning. Taking Brady's car because it has a seat warmer. I'm covered in snow from brushing off his car. My car has a huge drift behind it. I stayed home from work today. Thanks. I brought me my glasses. I know I'm laughing, but my tummy does not feel good. We're gonna go to Walmart though.
We should get one of these little penguins and put it up inside.
Where? Cute. Aw.
Or a unicorn.
Oh, a Christmas unicorn. I love it.
This is right in the living room.
Hi, Walmart. There's so much snow.
Mountains.
That's right. We're home now. These are the lights. And our unicorn. And a space heater. Brady, come see it! Christmas has arrived. We've got these pretty lights too to put in the window.
I agree. The color looks really good.
Yeah, right? Basil's been hiding in his cave for like 3 days, so I brought him out. Yeah, you sleepy? He's shutting on the other side of his face. Yeah, right there. Spinelli also didn't come out all day yesterday and hasn't come out yet today. They know that it snowed. Basil, you saying fuck that? You saying fuck winter? One of the things we bought at Walmart is this space heater because our other one died. So that's what we're sitting right in front of. Didn't even flinch. Oh, he just licked his eyeball.
Well,
I videotaped that. Hey, what the heck is up, you guys? Brady's at work. He actually got a new job and he just started this week, so he's still there. And when he gets back, we are gonna go to the floral conservatory. I've never been there and I've always wanted to go, so we're gonna go. Until then, I was just out getting like food for the lizards and I had to go to the dollar store, so I went into the mall because that's close to our apartment. And when I was in there, I got not one, but two mini brand balls. So I'm gonna open them. It's just so fun. They're just so small and cute. Here's the balls. Let's do this. Oh, a shopping cart. Perfect. I'll set that to the side for now. Golden fries. A laughing cow. A cheese. Honey bunches of oats. Shopping cart building. Brady's here. Hi, Brady. Guess what I did? It's nothing bad. I just bought some more mini brands. No. Here is my shopping cart. Now I need to open the next one. Ball number 2. Let's get some rose gold. Pizza snacks. Chocolate. Ground cinnamon. Nutsins. And one more. More fries! I got another one of the same one. Bullshit. I agree. Fun, mid brands.
hello, I'm Brady, and this is me reviewing the little products. This is a laughing cow. It's okay cheese. Honey bunches of oats. It's like Frosted Flakes, but for adults. Foreign fries. I don't know this brand, but fries are good. Cinnamon. Wonderful, delicious, lowers my blood sugar. More cheese, but probably good French cheese. Unsweetened chocolate, like mom's baking. Nut thins. Nut thins. Oh, we got double crinkles, double foreign fries, and bagel bites. Probably the thing that I would eat the most. Unsweetened chocolate is like chocolate, but without joy. If Unsweetened Chocolate was a movie, it'd be a black and white movie. Unsweetened Chocolate was a person, it'd be a person that was dead for like 3 days. Any person.
Just so easy to love. Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty, everything I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me, cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way.
We're back home now, and I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching this video. I usually don't make vlogs like this where you like come along with me through every day because they're kind of a lot of like work. They take a lot of like planning ahead and forethought, so I don't usually make vlogs like this. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah, that's all. Peace, bye. Dab on the haters.
Her heart is plastic, only says she loves me when we're